because of the video. Here he comes. You can see him turn into her. Because of this video, that was reduced to 60%. It should have been less than that, because you can see him physically turn into her. Pulling traffic code gets dismissed. If those tickets didn't get dismissed, that would have been 4 points on her license. So this video saved her 4 points and 100.
Fucking cunt.
A-Rod.
Okay, Garmin, take a picture.
Woo! He just ran a light.
Video protected.
Yeah, everyone just looks at me when I start rambling off on games and anime.
Oh jeez. Oh, got him. Dang.
You need us? You call. Doesn't matter the time. Her father looked genuinely on the verge of tears. This was the worst. Bells did not cry. Bells did not show feeling. Just had to stop. Remember. Oh my gosh. Her looked genuinely on the verge of tears. This was the worst. Bells did not cry. Bells did not show feeling.
Dummies, man. Cool as
Sorry, this guy has just been about a quarter of an inch off my bumper here for the past 20 miles. I've had enough of that. Let me stop here.